What's going on, people? It's your man Dell Mixed It, and I got a good one today. Somebody asked me about utilizing Soundflow and the Stream Deck, and particularly the utilization with Pro Tools and how they have a Pro Tools deck that is default to the software, but you can't customize that deck, or can you? Check this out. So we're inside of Soundflow right now, and you can see this is the Pro Tools main deck. Now, you can see right here it says 5x3, and what that means is if you're using a standard size Stream Deck, which is a 5x3 Stream Deck, then it's gonna fit perfectly. But if you were like me and you went and bought an XL, then it is much larger. It's an 8x4. And so if you wanted to modify this to fit that, then you're gonna have to go in here and customize it. And now here's the issue that most people run into. I'll show you right here. If you just go in here and I click on, let's say, Audio Suite, and I try to do anything to it, it automatically pops up and says, this deck is read only because you have installed it from another user. To edit it, first click Make Editable Copy. And so that is telling you exactly what to do. And if we notice right up here, there's the button for Make Editable Copy. And so when you click this, it's gonna make a copy of this deck that you will then be allowed to customize. So for example, if I go here to Automation and I click Make Editable Copy, now it's asking me, okay, where do you want to store this new editable copy? And so I'm gonna say into my custom package, okay, boom. And so now it's jumped over to my custom package and we can see this particular deck. And now if I click on it, it allows me to make changes to that deck. So like what I usually do is I go in and I'll rename it, you know, with my name at the end, just so I know that that's my deck. Because as you build up your decks in here, you're gonna have many more instances of how you do things, and you wanna keep, I like the fact that they do this actually. It's no different than having a template for sessions. It's a way for you to have a default state that you can't touch it, like you can't mess it up, and then you can make tweaks to your own version of that. And if for whatever reason you do mess something up, you can always get back to the original version and then start over. So now that we have our new deck that we've renamed with our name on there, we can now edit this. And what the very first thing we want to do, the whole purpose of us doing this is because we want to convert this from a 5x3 to a 8x4. And so all you do now is just go down here to the size, and then we're gonna go to Stream Deck XL 8x4. And then if you want to, you can actually go back to that name and edit that to be 8x4. Okay, and then there you go. So now you can see visually it shows us that it's 8x4, and now we've got the full control ability to go in here and add whatever we want to add. If I want to go in here and add a, let's see, right to all enable. So boom, got a right to all enable button right there. And if I want to do, you know, something else, I can do right to in, maybe if that's in here. Yep, right automation, boom. So that's all able to be added there, no problem. And it automatically saves everything as you do it. So I hope that was helpful. It's been your man Dell Mix It, and I will catch you in the next one.